Alrighty, so this is a brilliant example of a pine tree. So I always remember pine as like there's one variety of pine which grows in our area, which is the lodgepole pine, and they would use lodgepole pines to make teepees because the trunk is like usually perfectly straight. So you can see how long and straight these trunks are, and that is one of the best ways to indicate that this is a pine. Now, if you remember, let's see if we can get closer to one. If you remember that the other way, I don't know if we're going to be able to find one that's any of the needles close enough to the ground, but if you remember that the other way is the needles they're in bunches of 2. Looks like there's not any that are close to the ground, but that's okay. So the needles are bunches of 2, but then also you can just like remember and like boom, like they look like poles, right? And one of the varieties is lodgepole pine. So if you remember that the trees that look like poles are pines, that's another good trick to remember these trees.